Elon Musk and his booming business Tesla are not happy with the most recent move by Lucid. Lucid, yet another automobile company, has made a business move that could very well end up threatening major stakeholders in the industry, such as Tesla. At this point, Tesla remains one of the most popular companies within the EV industry. According to CNBC, Americans aren't buying electric vehicles, they're buying Teslas. This statement is true for all US consumers over the years, as Tesla accounts for more than 79% of all electric vehicles sold in the country. Could a business as successful as Tesla feel threatened by Lucid? Let's find out in this video. It was during November this week when Rivian Automotive decided to go public. With an initial public offering, estimates suggest that the company could be valued at around $65 billion. For those unaware, Lucid Group is an American electric car manufacturer situated in California, United States. Founded back in 2007, Lucid's other segments include energy storage and original equipment manufacture. It's also no secret that one of the best expansion and growth models followed by businesses over the years is by releasing stocks of their once private-owned companies. That is exactly what Lucid has announced to do. Meanwhile, another couple of names, including Embark Trucks, Too Simple, and Aurora Innovation, are joining hands together through an SPAC deal, making them a force to be reckoned with in the self-driving industry. A few competitors gaining some ground in the industry is not the only reason Tesla has to worry about the latest developments. The latest figures depicting stock share prices and premiums have left Tesla stock owners shocked. Considering the fantastic track record of the electric vehicle manufacturer over the years, the new tickers came in as a surprise to everyone. According to Seeking Alpha, momentum has taken precedence over value or growth as the biggest share price factor in the electric vehicle sector this year. A single look at the Momo in the sector using screening tools clearly indicates that Lucid Motors had the biggest premium across its 100-day moving average. Although Tesla's position at number 2 appears quite positive, Lucid overtaking its premium for the 100-day numbers was not an expected development in the market. In circumstances such as this, it can be interesting to look closer at companies like Lucid, their journey, and what brought them here to this stage. Lucid Group was previously known as Atieva. It was only recently that they changed their name to Lucid Motors. Basically, they are an American electric car manufacturing business located in California, USA. Lucid's other segments include energy storage and original equipment manufacture. The company rebranded to Lucid Motors in October 2016 and officially announced its intent to develop an all-electric high-performance luxury vehicle. By 2016, state and corporate authorities announced the planned construction of Lucid's US $700 million production factory in Casa Grande, Arizona, which was estimated to employ up to 2,000 employees by the mid-2020s, first making 20,000 vehicles and growing up to 130,000 automobiles per year. The factory was going to be constructed to accommodate a maximum capacity of 380,000 automobiles per year. As of November 2016, the business had intended to break ground in 2017 and have automobiles in production by early 2019. The first automobiles began rolling off the production line on September 28, 2021. By 2018, Lucid Motors reported that they were in discussions with the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia for funding valued at over $1 billion. The investment was concluded in April 2019 and will end up funding the final engineering and testing of the Lucid Air model, the first phase development of its manufacturing plant in Arizona, as well as the commercial manufacture of the Lucid Air. The list also contains Lucid's international retail strategy, commencing in North America. By 2019, the building of the plant had commenced, and the first phase was finished in December 2020. The second phase work is proceeding and will expand manufacturing capacity to 90,000 per year. A capacity increase such as this would mean that Lucid would have been able to increase its total capacity by almost 3 times. Before completion of its second phase, the company was sitting at a capacity of just 34,000 vehicles. Although these details go a long way in showing how Lucid grew and improved over time, it can be interesting to look at Tesla from a similar perspective. After all, Tesla is by far the most popular electric vehicle manufacturer in the US, and it's unlikely that they would let their market share drop without fighting back. Contrary to popular belief, Elon Musk was not the man who launched Tesla. He definitely made it his own over the years, investing early on and then directing its rise from niche luxury cars to mass manufacturing, bringing on a solar company and pushing self-driving technology. However, the tech tycoon and now the world's richest man was really Tesla's 4th CEO when he acquired that job in October 2008. In the years between 2004 and 2008, Tesla continued to grow and build its first automobile, the Roadster. The firm launched its production facilities in Fremont, California, a 5.5 million square foot factory that used to be owned by Toyota and General Motors. However, Musk became the company's CEO in 2008, as well as its product architect. and he continues to hold these positions to this date. That same year, Tesla introduced its first automobile and sports car, the Roadster. It's not simply a car, but one of the boldest automotive statements on the road, Car and Driver stated. The executive summary for the Roadster demonstrates that the firm has always been focused on the mechanics of the automobile as much as the design. High performance, as described in the executive summary, includes driving from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3.9 seconds, and minimal maintenance for up to 100,000 miles other than tires. Tesla, as part of its secret to success, continues to focus on producing electric cars and making EV powertrain systems and components. The firm has a network of 80 stores and galleries spanning North America, Europe, and Asia, and over 100 charging stations in the US. One of the company's trademarks in success is focusing on one product at a time. And although Tesla continues to focus on creating the Model S, it is rolling out other models to widen its client base. Now vehicles in the pipeline include the Model X SUV, which started production in early 2015. In order to change with the changing times, Tesla has endeavored to produce new items that seek to reach a larger spectrum of consumers. In the works is also the Model E, a cheaper version of the Model S, which will come in at about $40,000. Similarly, to be able to stay competitive in the specialized market, Tesla Motors has extended its production presence in the Netherlands and Lathrop, California. To keep prices low on lithium-ion battery packs, Tesla and key strategic partners like Panasonic started developing a gigafactory in Nevada that will support the manufacturing of a cheap mass-market vehicle, Model 3, according to the company's website. The electric car industry is booming, with premium auto manufacturers such as Mercedes-Benz and BMW stepping into the field too. Analysts had anticipated that the total worldwide sales of electric cars were around 320,000 units in 2014. The sheer growth of the electric vehicle trend across the globe can be judged from the fact that the numbers today have increased many times their size. For context, China alone registered about 25.3 million electric vehicles across the country in 2020. The global sales are increasing rapidly and increased by a massive 41% just between 2019 and 2020. According to the International Energy Agency, or the IEA, even more global growth is coming through the decade. As with anything in life and business, there are no certainties. The fact is that 12 years since integrating, Tesla Motors has transitioned from a startup to an established industry player. What doesn't change is its unique narrative and its status as a pioneer in a frontier of electric automobiles. Do you think Tesla faces an imminent threat in terms of fierce competition in the market of electric vehicles? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.